Hello friends, today we'll start Tally. Tally is an Indian multilingual company that provides enterprise resource planning software. It is an Indian company. It is headquartered in Bangalore. Tally developed in the year 1986 by Shyam Sundar Goenka and his son Bharat Goenka. Okay. Next, what is Tally? This question is asked in 2016, 2017 and 2019 question paper for 2 marks. Tally is an accounting and inventory management application software. Accounting means what? Work of keeping financial accounts. Work of keeping financial accounts. And inventory. Inventory means a complete list of items such as property, goods in stock, or the contents of building, in which we can recording daily business transactions or accounting works such as sales, okay, how much goods are sold, how many goods are purchased, how much amount is paid, how much amount is received, all the transaction in banks, taxation, okay, that is the GST, goods and service tax, etc. That is the definition of Tally. Discuss the features of Tally. It asked in 2016 and 2019 question paper for 5 marks. Tally is user-friendly accounting software that can be used by beginners to professionals. But Tally is very user-friendly. Tally is very easy to learn. Even non-commerce student also can learn Tally. For commerce students, Tally is very easy to learn. If non-commerce student put more effort, even they also can learn Tally. So Tally is very user-friendly. Next, multilingual support. Tally comes with world first concurrent multilingual business accounting and inventory management software for small and medium business. Tally used in small scale industries as well as in medium scale industries. The user interface for the software is available in Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, English and Punjabi, etc. Tally software available in all the languages, all Indian languages, and allowing you to interact with Tally in a language of your choice. You can choose any language of your choice. Next, Tally can maintain books of accounts either with inventory or without inventory. In Tally, you can maintain books of accounts only or accounts with inventory. Both you can maintain. Tally can work with multiple company accounts simultaneously. See, if there are many companies are located in different places, the headquarter company can see all the transaction of all the branches of companies which are located in different locations. Next, can get online and offline support. If you have any doubt on Tally of any transitions or any other doubts you have, so you can take help from online as well as offline support. Tally can be installed in any version of Windows operating system like Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 8, Windows 10, etc. You can install Tally in any Windows operating system of any version. Clear, no? So these are the features of Tally. Okay. Thank you.